Numbers are very important for counting. Now, let us learn numbers from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Come on, let's count. Can you count how many sun you see there? Yes, only one. Count the number of Christmas trees. 1, 2, 2. Count the number of Lion Kings. 1, 2, 3, 3. Count the number of fishes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Count the number of butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Count the number of dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Count the number of Tweety birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Count the number of Jerrys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Count the number of umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Count the number of Doras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Count the number of Santa Claus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. Count the number of penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. Count the number of Donald ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Count the number of Mickey Mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. Count the number of jokers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Count the number of cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Count the number of donkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. Count the number of Toms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18. Count the number of piglets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. Count the number of ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Number names. Now, let us learn the number names. There is one teddy bear. O N E 1. There are 2 pizzas. T W O 2. There are 3 roses. T H R E E 3. There are 4 buses. F O U R 4. There are 5 oranges. F I V E 5. There are 6 kites. S I X 6. There are 7 ice creams. S E V E N 7. There are 8 pizzas. E I G H T 8. There are 9 lemons. N I N E 9. There are 10 mangoes. T E N 10. There are 11 balls. E L E V E N 11. There are 12 parrots. T W E L V E 12. There are 13 caps. T H I R T E E N 13. There are 14 toy cars. F O U R T E E N 14. There are 15 chilies. F I F T E E N 15. There are 16 ice creams. S I X T E E N 16. There are 17 bananas. S E V E N T E E N 17. There are 18 apples. E I G H T E E N 18. There are 19 toy birds. N I N E T E E N 19. There are 20 pizzas. T W E N T Y 20. Multiples of 10. The multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, multiples of 100. The multiples of 100 are 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Let us now write the number names for the following numbers. 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 61. S-I-X-T-Y O-N-E 61. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Now let us write the numerals for the following number names. 104. For this, we write the numeral as 104. 110. For this, we write the numeral as 110. 185. For this, we write the numeral as 185. 191. For this, we write the numeral as 191. 156. For this, we write the numeral as 156. Now we shall count the pictures and choose the correct answer from below. Let us count the balls. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3 balls. Let us count the Mickey Mouse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 Mickey Mouse pictures. So, the answer is 10. Now, count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Let us count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, there are 18 birds. Count the lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 lemons. One-digit numbers. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called one-digit numbers. For example, when we take number 1, we have only one 1. The number 2 has 2 ones. And the number 5 has only 5 ones. Two-digit numbers. Numbers from 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on till 99 are called two-digit numbers. These numbers have both ones and tens in them. For example, number 10 contains only one 10. Number 11 contains one 10 and one 1. Number 12 contains one 10 and two ones. We shall learn the place value with the help of an abacus. In the abacus, we can see the letter O, which denotes position of ones, and letter T, which denotes position of tens. In the given figure, there is only one bead in the ones position. This denotes the number 1. In this figure, there are 2 beads in the 10 position and 4 beads in the ones position. 2 tens plus 4 ones is 24. Now, from the given abacus, let us count the beads and write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 beads in the tens position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 beads in the ones position. So, the number is 40.